But the main important thing is that all of you, if the screens are not popping up, okay, somewhere you have done the mistakes. And where you have done the mistakes, you should analyze it. You may not get the proper reports for the down payments and all. But the thing is that to get the proper reports and you need to complete the proper configurations. Okay, based on that configurations only you can able to see the details. Okay, in SAP for HANA, so we will going to do the configurations for the down payments. Okay, that is down payment paid account in general ledger. Okay, you know it very well, right? Down payments are used for the vendors and customers. Okay, whenever you want to buy the material from the particular vendors and all, okay, you will going to pay the amount. Okay, how much amount? So that is based on the material amount. Suppose if it is a 1 lakh rupee and you want to pay the advance amount 50,000 rupees and from the vendor side, I mean, sorry, from the organization side, whatever the request amounts that you are paying to the particular vendor, and those things should be, registered in our own SAP system. Why? Because so based on the reporting only, you will going to pay the amount, right? So in real time, whatever the invoices, whatever the raw material invoices that you are posting, those are huge things, right? So based on which commodities, based on which parameters, you will going to identify the things. Okay, so based on the down payments, advance things, based on the payment requests, based on the special GL indicators and all, you will going to identify the amounts. Okay, so go to the transaction code FS00. Now we can able to create the down payment paid account in S4 HANA. Okay, go to the transaction code FS00. And financial statement, from this point of view, financial statement versions are very, very important. So financial, why we need to use the financial statement versions, all of you? So for month-ending activities, we need to download the financial statement versions for the particular month based on the reporting. Okay, so based on the reporting, they can able to analyze how much profit that we got, how much loss that we got. Okay, based on the P&L statements and also balance sheet so forth. So under this current assets, we can able to create the new account. So go to the create option, try to give the 200103. Go to the continue option. So in the short text, you can just give the everything is same. In the short text, you can just give the down payment paid account for the particular vendor, right? So that is why I'm just taking the down payment paid account, and then GL account long text is down payment paid account. So these are the reconciliation accounts, right? All of you, when you're taking the down payments requests and all. These are very, very important. Okay, so vendors, and the next one is field status group is C067, and reconciliation account will be vendor. Click on the enter, go to the submit and save it. And the next one is in in SAP S4 HANA, everything is same. But the thing is that when we face the error, we will try to figure out what is the configuration that we have missed. Okay, and the next one is we need to create the vendor reconciliation account. If the vendor reconciliation account is there, there is no worries. If the vendor account reconciliation account is not there, we need to create it. Okay, why? Because we should assign each and everything. Go to the Word document, man. So assign these down payment paid account and vendor reconciliation account using transaction code OBYR. Can you go to the transaction code OBYR? And we should assign these accounts, right? So in the down payments and current assets, take out the down payments and current assets special GL indicator A, give the chart of accounts, and based on your chart of accounts, and give the reconciliation account and also GL account. Okay, down payments on current assets is over. The next one is and down payments or down payments request, right? That is, we can call it as a payment request. Okay, so this has been done, all of you. So can you give slash and now? All right. So the next one is whatever the vendors that we have, we need to take out the down payment request, right? Using transaction code F-47. Okay. So why I am taking the document numbers? Why? Because, right, all of you. See, whenever you want to post the documents and all, you need to prepare the report. Okay, for that paper, for that report, you need to have the section wise accounts based on the categories. Okay, so no worries. So first here give the in document date and posting date. Based on the company code only, you can just supplier by purchasing, supplier by material, supplier by a company code. So can you take out the tabs, ma'am? Reference. Take out the small box, ma'am. Take out the small box. Suppliers by company code and go to the continue option. DU organ is the company code. And take out the supplier and give the target special GL indicator, that is A. Okay. Click on the enter or else go to the new item. Go to the transaction code OB57. Take out the vendor and take out the special GL indicator, that is A. Go to the new item. So in company code, the number range is missing. Take out the new session. Go to the FBN1 transaction code. FBN1 transaction code and go to the intervals and go to the insert option. No, insert option. Go to the insert option. Insert. Go to the edit option. Pencil edit. Go to the insert option. Just give 17. And the year. Click on the enter. Go to the subheader. And so it is overlapping. Give me 1 second. 750 is the last number, right? 751 to, sorry, no. Remove the 601, just give 800 to 900. Here 900. Click on the enter, go to the symbol and save it. Give slash and go to the screen. Go to the F-47 transaction code and click on the enter. Now, whatever the payment request amount that you want to give, you can just give it. There is no issue. Yes. So payment request amount is 60,000 rupees and due on 28.06.2023. 28.06.2023. 28.06.2023. And the next one is as a text is payment request for vendor. Payment request for a vendor. Now payment request or payment request for vendor. Okay, so click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. This document is also posted. And the next one, what is the next configuration that we have? So try to take out the document number and down payment postings. Okay, so that is just a record. Okay, and it should not be recorded in the particular vendor records. Why? Because it is just a payment request. Go to the down payment postings using transaction code F-2048. Go to the transaction code F-48. Based on this down payment request, we will try to post the down payment. Okay. And same thing, document header text is down payment postings, down payment posting, and the vendor account, and the special GL indicator account will be a down payment posting. And take out the vendor account. And the special GL indicator will be A. If you don't give the special GL indicator, all of your system is not going to understand. So, I mean, for which type of special GL indicator this payment is related to. Okay. So that is very important thing right now we have. And the amount is 60,000 rupees. And the text is down payment posting. And the text is down payment posting. Down payment postings. Click on the enter. Give the value date 28.06.2023 and give the amount 60,000 rupees and due on. Sorry, there is no any value date, right? So here text is down payment posting. Then click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. So this document is also posted, and take out the document number and try to give it here. And the next one is all of you, we should raise the vendor invoice using transaction code FB60. So go to the transaction code FB60 now, and we will try to post a vendor invoice. Based on that vendor invoice, how you can able to get the request. I mean, pop-up request is and on. Take out the vendor. See, if you face the errors in SAP S4 HANA, face it. There is no issue. Okay. Remove this thing and change the company code. And give your vendor. And invoice date is 28.06.2023 and the amount will be 1 lakh rupee amount. Anything, no issue. 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50, 2 lakh, anything. And the next one is take out the GL account Based on your company code only, we have to select it raw material account, and the next one is amount. So amount will be 1 lakh rupee in it. Please click on the enter. Okay. Go to the simulate option now. Why you are not getting the pop-up request for that thing? Okay. Now what we will do is, okay, there is a item displays, right? In SAP S/4HANA we cannot do it. So give /n. Go to the transaction code FBL1N. Go to the transaction code FBL1N. Take out your vendor account now and take out the special GL account also. Based on vendor, okay, special GL indicators, go up and go to the continue option. Okay, 60,000 is the invoices and the rest of the invoices will be 40,000 rupees. Okay, it is showing that we should clear this 60,000 rupees. Okay, but in SAP S/4HANA we cannot do. Why? Because there is a line item displays, right? So give /n. And what is the transaction code to clear the down payments of the vendors and all? F-54. Go to the transaction code F-54 and try to clear this 60,000 rupees. Give /n and go to the transaction code. I think so. Some of the systems you will going to get it right, all of you. Don't worry. And get the document head text as down payment. Clean. Good. And take out the vendor account. And the text as down payment clearing. Same thing. Take out the vendor account and take out the text as down payment clearing. Okay. And go to the process open items. Why? No amount authorizations in tolerance range entered in company code. Go to the transaction code OB57, ma'am. /n. Go to the transaction code OB57. Go to the transaction code OB57. Give you a tolerance group. See, some of the persons will be there and they will going to delete each and every configuration. Okay, try to take out your tolerance group. Have you given the tolerance group?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think so. I'm getting
Marketed in the down payment clearing screen, sir.
Okay. Okay, right. So double click on this transfer postings. That is 60,000 rupees from. Double click on this yellow color mark and go to the save button and save it. Okay, so after clearing of this down payments and all, okay, what we need to do is all of you. So we will just clear the rest of the amount, okay, that is there for the particular vendor using transaction code F-53. See why I am getting late screen. Give me 1 second. Sharing and ma'am, can you stop your screen sharing and start once again? I am not getting screen.
Sir, can you see my screen, sir?
Oh, no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No. Yes. Thank you. And give the value date 28.06.2023 and give the account. Give the value date as 28.006.2023 and in the text is vendor payment. Sorry, payment to vendor. Payment to vendor. Payment to vendor. And the next one is in the open item selections. You can just take out the vendor account and go to the process open items. Remove this. Yes, 40,000 rupees. Okay, go to the save button and save it. So 60,000 rupees has been cleared, all of you. Okay, that is why it is not showing. So this document is also posted. Go to the transaction code FBL 1N. Go to the transaction code FBL 1N. Go to the transaction code FBL 1N. Try to see the reports. Tomorrow, all of you, please be at 6 a.m. Why? Because we need to clear, in 1 hour, we need to clear down payments customers and down payments customers in SAP S/4HANA. Then financial statement version class, real-time scenarios and all. And you need to learn those things. Okay. So, I mean, if you don't learn all these things, there is no worries. Okay. You can get it from anywhere, but some of the things will be there. You cannot get it from anywhere. Okay. Please try to understand the point and do your configurations and share your screenshots in the chat box. Okay. So I will going to stop this